and the rope. Early lead is taken by Pure Energy from the outside. Love Kuto moving up on the inside to grab the lead. It is now Love Kuto in the lead, followed by Storm Play in second. Nice and easy Pure Energy and still a race. The mid-back stretch, it's Love Kuto by 2.5 lengths, followed by Storm Play in second. Nice and easy, still a race moving up, and Pure Energy nearing the fast turn. It is still Love Kuto by 3.5 lengths, followed by Storm Play in second. Nice and easy, is still a race. Pure Energy now moving up on the outside. Rounding the fast turn, it is still Love Kuto in the lead by 3.5 lengths, followed by Storm Play in second. Nice and easy, still a race, and Pure Energy on the farther outside. But it's still Love Kuto in the lead by 3.5 lengths, followed by Storm Play in second. Pure Energy now running in third by 3.5 lengths. It's still a race, and Nice and easy. And into the home stretch, it's Love Kuto in the lead by a length and a half, followed by Storm Play on the outside. It is still Love Kuto in the lead, followed by Storm Play on the outside. Pure Energy on the farther outside. But it's still Love Kuto and Storm Play on the outside. It's still a race moving up on the inside. It's Love Kuto and Storm Play moving up now on the outside. It's Love Kuto and Storm Play on the farther outside. And finally, it's a close finish.
Okay, mayroon po tayong close finish within entries number 4, Love Kuto, at yung